weighted price index is what you are going to see in this lesson. If they don't call it weighted price index, they call it weighted average price index. So don't be confused if they bring one in terms of the other. So here we are going to go through the examples. We saw the formula in the first lesson. Then we are going to see how we calculate. But now when we are calculating this one, be careful. Now these two examples are very different, and then the formula is going to be somehow different when you are setting it, as I'm going to explain. So this one, this is the table below to calculate the weighted price index. So these are the items. These are now price indices. These ones. This is the weight. Now here, they have expressed them as a percentage. So that's why here I'm not having times 100. But if these ones were given as just ratios of P1 over P0, then here I include 100. So here I'm not including because here they are giving me price indices. Okay, so that's why the formula is like that. And it's going to be different to this one because here, when you are calculating our I, for it is not expressed as a percentage. So that's the difference. And I'm going to emphasize that more. So here, all we need in our formula is we get the weight times the price indices, then over the total weight of the items. So when I sum this, I get 20 as total weight. When I multiply this and this, I get this. This times this, I get this. This times this, I get this. You can do this simple. This table is already helping you to simplify one. So then after you just substitute the formula. But because these are already expressed as percentages, I'm not including here the 100. So I just substitute my formula. So they are now this as over total weight, which is 20. And then I give this as, so here I'm getting 121.5. Now, where I'm defining my I, in this formula, my I is P1 over P0 times 100. That's what my I is. That's why I'm not including this 100. So, but when you come to this, you see using the information below, find the weighted average price index. I don't need the weighted average price index, the same as weighted price index. Now they are giving us using 2015 as the base year. So this one is going to be our P0. This one is going to be our P1. These are the weights. Now here, the formula, here I'm going to include 100 because I'm defining my I to be P1 over P0. So here I never include 100 because I include 100 when I'm defining I. So here, because it's not having 100, that's why I'm having here my 100. You see, I think it's the difference in these two I's. So here the I is not having 100, that's why I'm including it here. Here the I had 100. Why? Because they gave me the price indices there. So the idea is very easy. What we do is we get now the P0. Now the base year is going to be 2015 according to the question. Then the current year is going to be 2018. So what we do, you get now this, and then you get this. It divides this. So when I get this divided by this, I get 1.2. I think that they are different. They are not percentages. Here they multiply them by 100, but here I'm not multiplying them with 100. Then when I get this divided by this, you get 800 divided by 5, you get 1.6. Then when you get this, you get divided by, you get 1.4. Get this divided by, then this divides this, then 800 over 500, then this over this. So that's what we get. So then we multiply this times this. Here, now we start, we need to get our half, we need to get W times this. That's why I'm multiplying them. This times this, I get a 12. Then I have 1.6 times 5, I get 8. Then this times this, 1.4 times 15. The answer I get here is 21. Now when I add them, you this one is going to be 20 plus 21, which will give me 41, because I need the sum of the whole of this. Then I also need the sum of the weight. When I add these ones, this will be 15 plus 15, I'll get 30. So now it's a matter of substituting into our good formula. So when I substitute there, summation of the whole of this is here, which is 41. The whole over the sum of the total weight of the three items, which is 30, then times 100. I think you see the difference in the and then this. So when they are giving us price, now these are not price indices. They are just, I'm getting just a ratio of P1 over P0. So that's the difference. So when you press that on the calculator, then multiply by 100. The answer is 136. You give 2 decimal places, 6, 7, and that would be the answer. Now you can set the increase. The increase, you get this minus 100. So the increase was 36.67%. And that's how we calculate this too. Hope you have got the difference. These are just ratios. These are in percentages. When you have them in percentages, you don't include 100. If you have them as ratios, you include 100. So this 100 here was covered in this I, but here is how I is. That's the difference. I will show you. Well,